Yeah, so welcome guys. We are trading live on this chess session. We are trading on Australian dollar USD. We will try to turn this $25 into perhaps $1,000 something. Once we reach $1,000, we will stop the trading. This is my client's account. For the moment, we are not taking any more clients, guys. So you can learn the strategy I'm using here as usual. You can learn the strategy from the course in the description below. And for those who can't purchase the course, you can win the course just by counting the exact number of the candlesticks that will appear in the whole video, and tell us in the comment sections how many candles appeared, and we will choose randomly one subscriber per week and give him free access to our course. The other side, if you can purchase our course, go ahead, purchase it. Yeah, so the first win, go ahead, purchase the course, learn the strategy, learn the binary strategy. There is an update on our strategy, by the way. For those who already purchased the course, there is a new video. There is two videos, additional videos, part 2 of the binary strategy. Go ahead, look for the part 2 of the binary strategy. You will find two videos explaining the other side of the binary strategy. Learn, practice on demo account, and yeah. So go ahead, learn the strategy, practice, keep practicing. You need to understand exactly how to use the indicators, how to avoid the losing decisions, how when to enter the trades, how to choose the exact assets. So let's take this win. Yep. So once you understand how to use different indicators, the money management, how to compare all the different candlesticks patterns, then you will be able to you will be able to become an expert trader and start trading with real money. For the moment, if you are a beginner, I don't advise you to use your real money. And I'm not an advisor. I'm not an financial advisor. So this is not a financial advice, guys. If you need advice, go to someone who give advices. I'm just sharing with you my strategy, what I learned over the years, and that's it. Go ahead, learn the strategy, practice on demo account, and yeah, hopefully you start making profit. Yeah, of course, nothing is guaranteed with binary option. There's a lot of risk, but in the same time, there's a lot of profit to make out there. Be careful. Don't enter any trade unless you are 100% sure that you are going to make a win. Yeah, so let's put everything. See, the confidence I have here is coming from my strategy. Yeah, this one. Yeah, yes. So guys, you will understand what I'm doing once you learn the strategy. And yeah, and you watch the part 2 of the binary strategy from the course. The course is in the description below. If you already purchased the course and you have access to our course, you will have a new video. Perhaps today or tomorrow, the video will be available, the part 2. And yeah. Yeah, it's not hard to predict the color and the type of the next candle, but at the same time, it's not that easy. So you need to have a trick, a strategy, and you need to avoid using emotions, of course. Never think about using emotions, guys. Avoid using your emotions, because once you start using emotions, then you will start losing money, and then you will start doubling losing money, and that's it for you. Yeah, I can stop right here. See the win. If I close this deal or sell, I will have $27. Yeah, but it's a win. 100% winning. I'm winning $116. That's a great position I opened there. Yeah. That's it. I'll put everything as always. I'll keep that 80 cent there. Yeah. $200. I open with $200 because I'm 100% this one is a win. Look. And you can count the number of the candlesticks right here. I showed many candles. Tell me how many candles appeared in the whole video. And we will choose a winner randomly every week and give him access to our course. Yeah. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful.